Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, a realtor with Royal LePage Signature, with my lovely wife, Natalie Balin Cinelli, co-owner of Spaces Collective.
We forgot that one.
Yeah, so last time we just jumped right into it because, again, we're still pressed for time. So anyway, so in today's Stagers Corner, we're going to talk about, Natalie, what am I thinking of? Do you store other people's stuff? You walk into and you're like, there's a whole bunch of clutter, and they go to you, great, where can you store this? Spaces Collective.
Yeah. So it's a question that we get very frequently, and the short answer to that is no, we don't. There may be some companies out there that do it from A to Z, not us. Typically that's something that the realtor and the homeowner work with. Any preparation that needs to be done, other than the list of do this and paint the wall this color and that sort of thing, is typically done between the realtor and the homeowner in preparation before we even get on site. So we're happy to give recommendations for paint color and lighting fixtures that need to be swapped out, but anything that has to do with the actual physical work of like decluttering, storing, getting the property ready, typically is done beforehand. Now, there's many options to get storage spaces. There's pods. If you have a driveway, they come, they get it, they take it away.
So in case you don't know what that is, it's a pod. So, but basically it looks like almost like a storage locker, storage
like
container.
Yeah.
The door's open. You can go put your stuff into it, and they can come. So once it's ready, you close it up like a storage container, and you can pick up that pod and put it anywhere you want. So it's not on the property.
Yeah.
That is usually I suggest that a lot of times to the clients if they have a lot of stuff. The other thing we've talked about before is that if you're going to be moving, you want to pare down your stuff anyway. Yeah. So it's a great opportunity just to start donating a lot of stuff or selling it.
Well, and the other thing is storage lockers. There's storage lockers everywhere around the city. You don't have to commit to like a year term. You can rent a storage locker for 1 month. The biggest storage lockers won't run you more than $600-700 a month. So in the grand scheme of things, if you're keeping your things in there for 30 days, you probably don't need a massive storage locker, but they're very easy to rent. You rent a moving truck, you just get everything in there for the month, and then you don't worry about it.
And the other two we've talked about before is if you have garages, a lot of time, as long as it looks neat, we suggest, you can stack things in your garage, just don't make it look like an absolute mess. Yeah. Same thing for the basement. If you have, as long as it's neat and cluttered, like basements don't have as much of an impact if you do have boxes in them, as opposed to like when you walk into the main floor or in a bedroom. So those two options, we always suggest that to, save some money on the side for the client as well. Great. So somebody wants to get in touch with you. We didn't do this last time either.
Oh my gosh. So the best way is to send us an email at hello@spacescollective.ca if you have an inquiry about a project, because we've got a whole kind of laundry list of questions for you at that point. And other than that, you can DM us at spaces.collective on Instagram.
Cool. All right, guys. She's got to go to work. So do I.
Bye.